Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. Uh, Friend, let's start with the video. I'm going to show you in this video tutorial that how to get back your archive post on Instagram. You can get back easily archive post, photo, videos from your Instagram. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So I'm going to show in my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone or iOS, you can follow the same steps. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here you can see this is my phone, and I just open the my Instagram. And if you want to find out, if you want to get back your archive post, so I just make I just make this post archive. Just go to the three option and go to, if I click on archive, it will be disappear from my profile, or it will disappear from my post. So how you can get back? So just go to the three line option, and here you can see the archive option, and you will see post. If you don't find post archive posture, you can change here. Okay, maybe there you have selected post archive, story archive, live archive. If you want to get back your post, you have to click on post archive, or if you want to get back your stories, archive stories, you have to click on this. So in my case, I'm just archive post, so click on post archive, and here I just archive this post. So if you want to get back it, just go to the three dot, and you have to click on show on profile. So it will be again come to your profile post. You can see, if I refresh it, you can see this has been get back. So I hope you like this video. Please